Hey guys, we're doing the player draw for the half case Upper Deck Supreme Hardcourt. It's 11:36:42 p.m. Melbourne time. There's the bottom there. Random is live. Participants were going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. One, the best of the phone, he knows the phone, is he drunk and alone? Players 7. 2, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 2 spots left. 1, and here we go. Oh my god, Kiwi and Slutty 6's players. What is going on? Random complete. Rodney, Hakeem, Geary, Magic Johnson, Branco, Thon, Andrew Hunt, LeBron, Dan Chappell, Kristaps, Geary, Jamal, Eugene New, Vince Carter, Artie, Alonzo, Branco, Allen Iverson, Eugene New, Michael Fultz, Alex Stewart, Cat, Geary, Elgin Baylor, Kiwi, Julius Irving, Indy, Michael Jordan, Matus, Clyde Drexler, Geary, Ben Simmons, Steph Curry, and Larry Bird. Alex Stewart, Jerry West, Timothy Price, Wiggins, Rodney, Kevin Love, Geary, Dirk, Branco, George Gervin, Benji Mack, Dennis Rodman, Bestwick, Zach Levine, Branco, DeMarcus Cousins, and Scott Cutting with Penny Hardaway. And that's it.